Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you own a Ring doorbell, whether it's a version 3, 3 plus 4 battery doorbell, this here is going to be, whether it's the battery operated one, this here is going to be a solution for you to get that solar connectivity so you're not having to recharge or connect your doorbell to any wired solution at your house. Maybe you want to replace the doorbell and put it in an area that is not close to where the power is. This is going to be a great solution because this is going to give you solar. Has a huge solar panel the size of my hand up top, and then you have side solar panels too, so as the sun starts to shift, really great aesthetic, heavy duty material here. And I love how each side has, so you're gonna be able to catch those sun rays no matter where the sun is in the sky, so not having to repurpose this. Your doorbell is gonna sit right there. They're gonna give you all the bits and bobs, depending on your type of doorbell from Ring to connect to it. So you get all the cables here included, plus the screws to mount the device itself to the wall. And then you can screw in your into this contraption here. Really overall great solution for any of those Ring doorbell owners. This is going to be a great solar option for you to keep that device up and running without the hassle of having to worry about wiring up a unit or having to charge up the unit, unplugging it, plugging it into a wall in your house, charging it. That whole rigmarole, you don't need to do that. Get this solar solution. Check them out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do a review. Thank you.